Yeah.
Sorry, it's just raining on me.
So anyway, yeah, the point is...
no, don't. I want you to keep going.
Yeah, that's it. My favorite part was the loquacious remark with that
but you were saying.
Yeah, my new perspective.
Yes.
And what I was given the opportunity to learn through all of this, and by grappling with the prospect of appearing, was that perhaps I'm needed here for reasons that I had not previously understood. And it had nothing to do with me. It had everything to do with them and her sitting behind that bench. And I think she knows that. I think she gets that. And she was made very uncomfortable. And boy, she tore into the next person. But
really?
She was awfully polite to me.
Smart. Very smart.
I have the truth on my side.
Yeah. When you have the truth on your side, you've already won. Mm-hmm. You don't have to wait. So you've already won.
This is a pain in the ass, and I'd rather not do it, but it's true. And this is a perspective that Jody has been explaining to me for months, and one that I never had occasion to make my own before today, but today my hand was kind of forced. They say, you've got to show up. Okay. First of all, I thought, no, I don't. But if I'm deciding to, I realize that how do you make the most of a situation like this? What is there to be gained? Not just for me, for all living beings, you know? What is my responsibility in this? One of the themes of this whole thing has been taking responsibility. And I told Valerie yesterday, I've taken responsibility. I've taken responsibility for myself, for my own actions. Unfortunately, there are other parties that feel they must step in and take responsibility for me on my behalf. It's not the case. And Valerie understands this. I'm not sure how much the judge understands this. I think at this point, and more, she's going to be more like just hoping to get me in and out of there.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to make it that easy. I don't have to. Like I said, I've got plenty to say. What was the point? This what Jody's been telling me is that about the responsibility that she feels, not just for herself, not just unto herself, but for others, for people around her, everybody around her. I don't know how I'll end up practicing that, really, but in this context, it's an avenue that I hadn't really considered. That okay, they asked for it, so my responsibility to them at this point, and this is what they would have said they wanted, but be careful what you wish for, my responsibility to them is to tell them the truth. I can do that. I can do that without getting arrested, and probably much to their chagrin, and that is really satisfying. And who knows, at the end of the day, maybe you were right, honey. Maybe I'm in the right place to actually affect change with the people in that room.
Right.
You know? And that's the kind of power that I just never would have recognized before this. And I know I wouldn't be having this experience if it wasn't for you in my life and showing me what you've shown me. And this like just opens up so many dimensions of things that you've been telling me for a long time, you know, baby. Thank you, honey, and thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and well, God, you're welcome, and it gives me a really deep happiness to know that I can walk back to the car and say, "Hey, baby, you'd be so proud," you know. It was cool,
honey. Oh, honey. I've never had this experience in my life.
Me neither, hon. Me neither.
I've been doing this very alone. I'm not saying that other people haven't stood up for me or that people haven't helped me, but what you've done is you've gone in when I wasn't around and you stood up for everybody. You stood up for everybody.
And myself.
Yeah.
And myself. I've never stood up for myself like that before. I've never done anything but what they wanted me to do, you know?
And
which is so not
how does
me.
it help you? It doesn't help you.
It doesn't help me or anybody else. And boy, it's also the last thing they're expecting, you know, when somebody does.
Yeah.
It's like, especially when they're powerless to do anything. It's like, they invited it, for God's sake. It's like, okay, baby.
They forced it.
This feels great. This rain on my face, it's cleansing and sort of like a weird rebirth of sorts. But I'm gonna go ahead and like put the cigarette out and close the sunroof because my baby is cold, and I'm all, I love you, baby, but let's just sit here in the cold.
How about I just turn this on and we sit here in the rain and the heat? Oh, you give me so much hope. It's gonna be okay. Now I feel like if they pull me over, I'll just say, you're gonna unjustly arrest me? You're gonna arrest me because I was too poor to pay this fine?
I think we're not gonna get pulled over. You're an excellent driver. We'll do a little less of the texting and driving.
And playing harmonica and sticking your head out the sunroof, filming.
With the dogs in your lap as you read Buddhist literature. We're
just that good, my sweetheart.
We are.
We're just that good.
We are that good, honey.
I'm your Rengekyo.
I can't wait to see the counselor.
I'm so proud of you.
That's not true. I can wait. I'm not in a hurry to tell you the truth. But wow, just wow, baby. Look at us. We're all wet, and I love it. I love you, honey.
You're an adventure.
Yeah.
Oh, one thing I wanted to do. This is a different subject. Do you mind?
No. That's time for a new subject. What's up, honey?
Well, we need to head up to the mountains, but pick up the dogs. But I wanted to do a short clip in which we say, okay, 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 okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
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 All together now. Okay.
When do you think we should do it?
I don't know.
Okay.
Sometime. At the right time it'll happen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.